Hey Speed Society Car Club, it's Brian Cole, CMO of Speed Society, and I'm here for the reveal, for the drop, for the unveil of SSCC number 36, that's Speed Society Car Club 36 Enthusiast Drop, April 2022. The theme is way different than last month. Last month was black and white, was more of a classic streetwear and fashion-based design. And this month, we're going the polar opposite and we're going back to motorsports. Not only are we going back to motorsports, we're going to the epitome, the pinnacle of sports car racing. What is that? That is F1.
Lewis Hamilton though, down the back straight, he's got a slipstream, he almost touches Verstappen, they almost make contact, into turn 9, Verstappen stays ahead.
And if you're anything like me, you're a crazy F1 fan, and there is so much drama, so much going on, so many people involved, such a crazy season. You've got Netflix, Drive to Survive, you've got social media, you've got everything. I think this is like, has to be the heyday of F1. There's been many over the years, but there's nothing quite like today in the amount of people and fans that are involved. And we're going to Miami. Next month is Miami. What a crazy thought that that's happening. And we couldn't be more excited. We thought this is the best opportunity to design something specifically for Miami, get it to you, get it in your hands, and you're gonna rock it. When you watch the F1 race with your friends, or if you're gonna be there in Miami yourself, you're gonna have the coolest drop out of anybody. Nobody's gonna have anything close to it, and I'm gonna get into it right now. We have the insert for SSCC number 36, Miami, and as you can tell, the whole vibe is Miami architecture. And if you know anything about Miami and South Beach, the architecture of the old buildings is peach and teal or blue, and that is something that is reminiscent of the culture and the vibe of Miami, and we wanted to completely encapsulate that. And not only that, but that's the vibe. If you've paid attention to the official poster of F1 Miami, we have Speed Society Car Club decal number 1, and this is the car club lockup itself, and we did these in peach and teal, and the teal, as you can see, are all the palm trees, which of course are synonymous with Miami Beach. Next is decal number 2, and that is a custom design F1 car. And this F1 car is in teal. And the whole vibe behind this F1 car itself is I wanted to bridge the gap between, I didn't want the brand new car and I didn't want to do a full vintage car. So we bridged the gap and brought the F1 cars of yesteryear and have that as something that kind of represents the new fans and the old fans that came together. And that's the car that we decided, and it fits well with kind of going back in the historic kind of vibe of the 80s and 90s theme of Miami, and then the Art Deco vibe of the architecture. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm gonna go directly into the shirt itself, and again, polar opposite of last month, and we're getting through winter, going into spring, and this is the perfect opportunity. We went with an ice blue custom fitted shirt, and right here we have the lockup right on the front for Speed Society Car Club. And you can see that is in peach and teal. And on the arm, just like always, we always include the Speed Society limited edition number. That is always on your right arm. And we added the rear of the F1 car, and that's flanked by 2 palm trees, of course, to keep giving that vibe, that Miami vibe. We just always try to take everything a step above and really try and give you something that's so unique and so custom that, again, you're just never gonna see anything like it. You can't buy anything like it. And we build it specifically for you. I'm gonna get directly into the back of the shirt, and I'm gonna let you kind of take it all in. What a cool piece. I'm just so excited and happy for this. It is, if that doesn't scream Miami, I don't know what possibly does. We've got the horizon of the sun setting. We've got number 36 for Speed Society Car Club, number 36. We got the awesome Miami script. And again, that's all outlined in the peach color. We've got that custom design F1 car, all done in teal, flanked by palm trees, of course, just as many different custom accents and elements as possible. Then we've got this really cool 80s kind of vibe, Speed Society hit here with the car club and then the Speed Society icon. And if that doesn't scream, again, full Miami, the coolest F1 shirt, kicking off the new race and the new track in Miami. This is just a super dope piece and something that people are gonna freak out for. So that is the shirt. We are super excited about it, and everybody that we've shown, everybody that's seen it to date, or photo shoots on the streets, are trying to steal it from us or buy it from us. People are freaking out, losing their mind. It is cool. It's going to be a collectible. We only made a limited amount for the Car Club members or anybody that signs up during this month. We do one run, that's it. Once they're sold out, they're gone forever. And we only got a few weeks left of April. So get in, speedsociety.com, sign up for the Car Club membership. You get your drops every single month. You get your limited edition decals, your drop itself, your shirt design. You get entries into every single giveaway. And if you noticed on that specifically, we have now changed the entries for all the enthusiast member, and you now get 350 entries every single giveaway. And you know right now is the 1200 horsepower Hellcat Charger, the craziest build with the best partners in the entire industry, fully built block, capable of 1600 wheel horsepower. Let's go. Thank you for everything. Love you guys. We'll see you on the next one.